Back in 2015, I was commissioned to make a treasure chest. It was cool because the hinges and clasp were all handmade out of wood. At the time I was setting up a 10 by 10 space at the flea market down in Homestead and selling my woodworking crafts and furniture. I had made a wooden treasure chest / pirate chest for fun and took it with me as a display piece one time, not really thinking much of it, but one customer did purchase it. And at the time I was handing out business cards each weekend, and the customer that I sold that chest to called and commissioned for a new chest, and I filmed it and the process, all of it, which you're looking at now. I used construction grade pine and spent some time sanding it to get it smooth. The box is simple and it has finger joints of 3. The bottom of the box is a 1/4 inch underlayment that sits inside the channels I made using the table saw. I ran those dados all the way through the front, back, and sides of the box, so they end up being visible on the outside. The customer wanted silver for the finish. She also wanted a name on the front, and I used a Dremel to carve it out. Then I filled the letters with white acrylic paint. Here I am assembling the box and top. One of the cool things about this box and all the boxes that I was making at the time in this style is that they're all rustic and come with wooden hinges and clasps. So they're unmistakably handmade, and that gives it so much character. And yes, they're not perfect, but they tell such a great story. This box really came out gorgeous, and, well, the customer would go on to order other pieces like it and other things as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.